What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about if your wood is not right in the Tesla. Apparently, Tesla got the wood here, the wood there, and mix matched them. Anyways, it's fascinating. Let's go ahead and check it out. Stay tuned. At the end, we'll talk about I'll go through the actual Tesla document and we'll see from there.
If your Tesla has mismatched dashboard trim, mechanics use visual checks to confirm a wood veneer failure. We will reveal the exact service codes and the final repair bill at the end of this video. Many owners first assume that the uneven color is caused by sun fading or harsh cabin cleaners. However, this interior cosmetic issue is actually a quality control mismatch from the factory assembly line. Tesla uses genuine wood veneers bonded directly to rigid composite backings inside the cabin. Wood is an organic, highly variable material with unique growth rings and natural cellular structures. To achieve color harmony, interior wood must be harvested and stained from the same log batch. During production, some dashboard panels were paired with doors from completely different wood runs. This causes the dashboard veneer and the door trim to show different grain angles and shades. Natural wood veneer possesses complex cellular patterns that reflect cabin light in highly specific directions. This unique directional reflection is scientifically referred to as anisotropic optical behavior in natural materials. If the grain angle on the dashboard varies from the door, the panels look mismatched. One panel may look bright while the neighboring piece appears dark under direct sun rays. This visual phenomenon occurs because the open wood pores absorb and deflect incoming light differently. Furthermore, wood veneers react dynamically to the staining processes used during factory parts manufacturing. Veneers cut from the outer sapwood absorb liquid stains differently than those cut from heartwood. This variation creates subtle color tone mismatches that are hard to spot under factory lighting. Only when the vehicle is assembled do these distinct color tone variations become completely obvious. This aesthetic mismatch affects current generation Tesla Model S vehicles manufactured from 2021 through 2024. The Technical Service Bulletin SB-24-14-002 outlines the inspection and corrective procedures for this specific issue. The bulletin specifically covers left-hand drive vehicles featuring the premium Ebony wood trim option. Because this is purely a cosmetic variance, there are no safety risks or drivability concerns. To address this concern, technicians perform a detailed, step-by-step physical replacement of the dashboard trim. Before starting the physical work, technicians must prepare the vehicle interior to prevent cosmetic scuffs. They lay protective microfiber blankets over the center console and the soft leather seats. Using a specialized plastic wedge tool, they gently release the dashboard side panels first. These end caps require careful handling to avoid snapping the delicate plastic retention tabs. Once removed, the technician gains access to the hidden structural fasteners deep inside. They use a magnetic Torx driver to slowly back out the factory mounting screws. The magnetic tip prevents these small screws from falling down into the dashboard framing. Next, they must release the heavy-duty spring clips holding the main wood trim panel. This step requires even pulling force to avoid twisting or warping the long trim assembly. If a technician pulls too quickly from one end, the brittle wood veneer may crack. The delicate clear coat is also prone to spiderweb fractures under excessive physical stress. Once the old part is removed, the technician prepares the new ebony wood assembly. This updated replacement component is catalogued under the official Tesla part number 1562938-02-G. The technician holds the new dashboard panel up to the doors to verify perfect color harmony. If the natural wood grain aligns correctly, they snap the new panel onto the dashboard pins. They tighten the side screws back to factory specification and reinstall the outer plastic end caps. To finalize the repair, the technician connects the vehicle to Tesla Toolbox diagnostic software. This software link logs the service correction code S0224144002 into the car's official history file. On online forums, several owners reported noticing this mismatch immediately upon taking delivery. Many drivers appreciated that mobile service technicians can easily complete this clean swap at home. Now, let us look at the final cost breakdown for this interior wood trim replacement. If your Model S is still covered under warranty, the entire repair will cost you nothing. Out of warranty, an independent shop would charge around $490 for parts and labor. A Tesla service center would charge roughly $511 for the same job. Have you noticed any mismatched wood trim inside your own luxury electric vehicle? If so, please leave a comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more helpful guides.
And that is our wood trim. Now we're going to go ahead and look at this official Tesla document. Oh man, here we go. Let's see. It's a technical service bulletin. See a little Tesla thing here. Says the condition: some Model S and Model X vehicles with first generation global navigation satellite system antennas might suffer from lower than expected navigation signal strength. Okay, this is the wrong one. Let me pause. Okay, are we on? Yes. Sorry about that, guys. Apparently, I had the wrong number there. Here, I have found it. This one was hard to find. It's SB24-14-002. Let's see the condition. On some Model S vehicles, the wood grain and color harmony of the instrument panel decor assembly may not match that of the door trim. All right. So the correction, replace the decor assembly. That's funny. All right. There's that, and there's a picture. Yeah, there you go. There's an official Tesla picture of the thing, of the decor assembly. No phone numbers, but anyways, you guys can pause through that and all the stuff. I thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully you know now that you're not alone. There are other Tesla drivers out there with mismatch interior wood grain trim. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.